In this video, I will show you how to select a product from Amazon for affiliate marketing. First, change the location to United States because most of the Amazon customers from US. When you changed the location, after you will see the products that are available in US. Now click on Best Seller tab. Click on your interested category of products to promote. Don't pick the product that is not available. Choose the product with 4+ stars. Copy heading. Copy description and about the item content. Copy the page link. Download the images. In next video, I will show you how to create title, description, and keywords to promote the product.